Recently had a question come up on how long it takes to charge one of these Craftsman batteries right here. So I decided I'm gonna do a video on it real quick. I got these two. These are both the 2 amp. They both just came off the charger, so they're fully charged. I'm gonna throw them both on the electric mower right here, see how long it goes, run it to empty. And then I'm gonna throw them on these two chargers right here. This bigger one right here is a 2 amp output, and this one that normally comes with tools that you buy is a 1.25 amp output. Alright, they're both officially dead. They lasted for a grand total of 22 minutes on the mower. And I was actually surprised that they lasted that long. To be fair, that mower comes with a pair of 5 amp batteries, and these last a lot longer. You can pretty much do your whole yard. Slap this on the weed eater and then on the blower, and you got plenty. Now it's time to hook them up, see how long they each take to charge. Got the 2 amp going. Now we got the 1.25 amp going right here. As expected, the 2 amp charger went out at just under 35 minutes. It's about 34 minutes. This thing takes to fully charge a 2 amp battery. And final time for the 1.25 amp charger is 57 minutes. So not quite twice as long, but still under an hour. This one's been charging a 4 amp for about the last 20-25 minutes right here. There you have it. There's your answer. Craftsman battery charge time.